So you also have an elbow coming.
Why?
Dude, you know exactly why.
Why?
I was sleeping, and it was before the 10 o'clock safety.
Oh, that was hilarious.
Oh, that.
That was so funny.
Flip them back over on the reverse.
Yeah, that was so funny.
Yeah, you reversed me. How does that even make sense now?
Same.
Yeah, you were mad.
No, I was just quick on the reverse. You know how many times my dad's done that?
No.
A lot. He comes down to my room, him and Jack the Baker, thinking they're all quiet. Boys are fired up. He comes flying into my room and they're giggling. I'm like, what? Like, one, you're 40 years old. You shouldn't be giggling. Two, I'm in bed, I'm looking at him, and I see him turn the light on, and one comes running. I gave like a swim move. Just crushed my dad.
What swim move is that?
I went swim over top and then swim past him. Swim move, like a football player. You swim over top and then you push past him. It's a swim move.
Yeah, Aaron.
Yeah, Aaron. Anyway, swim moved past my dad, shoved him on my bed. Baker got hammered. I pushed Baker on the guest bed and went,
Oh.
smoked him. Gave him the business.
Yeah, Mitzi.
Too bad none of yours been like that.
Yeah, you can ask Claire how she feels. Because I smoked her.
She can't get comfy.
Oh, there she goes.
Alright, I'm going to set timer for like 15 minutes. I'll be back down and drop an elbow on Aaron. Yeah,
Me?
Aubrey. She's got one coming.
Yeah, I guarantee you're not gonna get back up.
My zoom is super slow in this camera.
Good night, you, so it's time to take a rest. Pump, pump, and play your sweet head on your dear Savior's chest. Pump, 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 we all love you. Yeah, but Jesus loves you best. Good night, good night, good night. Good night, you, so.
Good night.
Are you shitting me? 18 health. That's unbelievable.
Alright, Kieran challenged me to some ping pong. Let's go.
That's kind of
Oh, dude, that's sketchy. Whatever, I'll take it,
Yeah, what was that?
Ooh, that definitely touched.
Oh, wow. Not a good start. Ooh. Oh, I can't believe you actually got that. Alright, 4-1. Wow. Flat 2.
Damn, dude.
Alright, what's that?
Three, two, one, now.
Oh, I feel green over there.
Oh.
It's also green right there.
Wow. Okay, I guess that's how it works. I mean, I can always edit it out and be like, now,
Yeah.
switch.
We have to wait our turn.
Also, we got tater tots.
Oh, there's good. Really big investment. Tough day at skills of kids that don't listen.
Oh, yeah. Dude, I got hit in the shins way too many times.
This kid shot a puck at me. I was like, hey, don't do that. He goes, why? And then shot another puck at me. You kidding me? Who do you think you are?
Now! There
good.
it is.
That was perfect. You're so good at that. Wow. Your timing's impeccable.
Sweet. Going from Paris to Atlanta.
Yo,
Let's see his flight path.
Nolan, you haven't been on the vlog for a while.
Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Got a haircut. Last time you saw me at long hair. Big flight guy. As you can see, just checking on planes. Just kidding. I don't know. As dental as that, because it looks pretty cool. Let's see where this plane's going. All right, this massive plane is coming from Paris to JFK.
It's huge, dude. Wait. Didn't focus.
Coastal Carolina.
Chatham, Miscordia. St. Anselm. Oh, I can't do that.
Can you flip the screen? What's up, boys? Solo vlog here.
Interesting. I'm sitting there.
Dude, I don't know what I'm supposed to look at here. You're supposed to look at the screen or the lens?
The camera. You look at the lens, but that's why Casey Neistat wears sunglasses. So that
Really?
he can look at this.
You guys want to see what team
Having a nice little
team
mop,
guys?
mop set.
Yeah. I told JJ I couldn't find him after.
Run, Bome, run!
Dude, guess what happened today?
What?
I got red status on my Chick-fil-A app.
Big day for the kid, eh?
Huge day for the guy.
For the guy. It's for the kid.
No, for the guy.
All
For the
right.
guy. I'm 18. I'm a man.
The boys are back.
Yep. Let's drop 20 more blocks on Chick-fil-A.
Since you got that free, Do you want to be in the vlog? Yeah.
He's got 40 subscribers.
All right. Yeah. Why? Yo, the boys are in.
Hey guys, this is Elvis. I'm third goalie for BPAC.
What? You're the starting goalie. Don't lie.
Worst goalie in the league. 81.2.
Is it in the vlog? Is it
Yeah.
in the vlog? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yo, so then ask me some questions.
Make fun of Bome.
Me?
Yeah.
Easy.
Worst player in the ping pong.
No,
Worst
I'm
ping
not
pong
saying
player.
that. I'm not saying that.
I'm getting better every day. How many times do you get beat?
Bome is a good guy, but he's
Yeah, great gap.
5 kids from PAL, and I'm just like, there's nothing special about them.
From PAL or IHC?
PA.
Like,
I'm Mori.
Oh yeah, I haven't introduced you yet. What's up?
Mori, fourth line grinder. Not played much. 2 minutes a game. Not
you
point
have to
much.
show me a picture. So
We don't even have a fourth line.
What?
Marty goes fourth line grinder.
Marty's the only fourth liner.
Yeah, all I know is that our line was +2 on the weekend.
That's pretty solid. Oh, no, my video's gonna get flagged now.
Just because I was only -1 on Saturday. +2 was just because of me. And it was a junk goal. Are you making a road trip vlog?
Yeah, dude, I'm bringing my GoPro for the bus, so you better make some funny things.
I don't know any better.
So,
We're over here, buddy.
Yeah.
Shotgun.
see you, dude.
Suck it, vlog.
Don't be afraid of the quickness you get laid. For your family get paid, it's the wrong way.
Are you looking for a cheap, affordable meal the whole family can enjoy? Yeah. Look no farther than local Applebee's. What do they got? Introducing all-you-can-eat riblets and tenders. Riblets and tenders? $12.99. You heard that right, folks. All-you-can-eat savory, tangy, barbecue riblets, crispy, buttery, flaky tenders. I have to go to Applebee's. $12.99. We keep them coming as long as you can keep on eating. It's clever because the song's got another thing coming. This guy's smart.